Alright, I'm gonna kill myself, you guys.
Good? Good to go? Alright.
Everybody go, what you gonna do today? Hey, what you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? Yo, what you gonna do today? Make moves while I pay dues. Cruising the lane far left of the lane dudes. Rest when I catch my breath. Feeling like the last one left. Like what you gonna do today? Same thing that I did for the last 2,000 to 3,000 and studying the math. A lot less time and a lot more class when they talk that trash. And that makes us laugh. Should say hi when I ride my ass. On the shit that I drip in class and I might just brag, but I'm not gonna brag. When the gang go flash, I don't know when I ride go in a rag. What do I expect from the cats and I'm back in the back in the back of my mind. It's silly cause I don't gotta lie. Yup. So what you gonna do today? Make money, y'all. What you gonna do today? Spend money, y'all. What you gonna do today? Raise kids, y'all. What you gonna do today? Write raps, y'all. What you gonna do today? Go to the second from the show. Pass this shit with a pass that I got. Throw up a skin from the video. Really go. What you gonna do today?
Okay.
If I'm home, times I'm gonna get your mom on. Get all smooth, so we got more bars than it's no go. Cats wanna get it for the quid pro quo, like the bro not grown. No, it's more than repping your area code. Wary of various foes, rock out with my hairy exposed. Where my chariot go, waiting for it to carry me home, and I'm in the zone. Hey, what you gonna do today? No trees, y'all. What you gonna do today? No sleep, y'all. What you gonna do today? Good dinner, y'all. What you gonna drink for that? Y'all. What you gonna do today? Text my car, y'all. What you gonna do today? Go far, y'all. What you gonna do today? Shit, y'all. What you gonna do today? Fine shit, y'all. Said, what you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? What you gonna do today?
Okay, we're gonna battle.